Hi guys, it's Misha from Scraps and Things 1, and I wanted to share an idea with you guys, and I'm trying a different angle, so I hope that it's working out. I don't know if any one of you out there has tried this before, but I had seen it someplace, and I'm not sure if it was on YouTube or someplace else, but if you use food coloring and perfect pearls and some water, and I did like 4 or 5 drops and just a tiny little bit on the tip of this. You can still see the perfect pearls on there. With the rest was all water, and then I actually tried it and I sprayed it. And of course, you know, you're going to have to be careful because it will get all over the place. But this one is yellow, and I'm going to use my heat gun for a minute. And there, yellow. And then you can mix it and make a whole bunch of different colors. And it tells you here, orange is 1 drop of red to 2 yellow. Chartreuse, which is a kind of green color, is 12 yellow to 1 green. Peach is 1 red to 3 yellow. Turquoise is 5 blue to 1 green. All your directions are on the back. And if you don't have perfect pearls, you know, you could probably use a drop or 2 of really fine glitter. But I also made it in blue. I would make the other colors with the red, but I used my red for a cake when I made a red velvet cake. So okay, so that's the blue, and it's the same. It's like 3 or 4, because this is so dark, 3 or 4 drops of that. Now the yellow I wanted darker because I'm actually going to do flowers material with it. And then see, dry it. And there isn't an exact science for let me turn my light down, maybe not, or turn it up. There's not an exact science or recipe for this. I kind of guesstimated that I would need about a drop or 2 of the blue, depending on how dark I wanted it for one of these little misters. So you would use your best judgment on how you would want to do it. So, you know, you can use the blue and the blue and yellow together, and it'll make green, but I have green. You can use yellow and green, and it'll make a lighter green. You can use yellow and with green and blue, and it'll make a different shade of like a blue color. So just, you know, or you can do the red and with the yellow, and you know, just play around with it and see. I mean, I'm sure you can get other food coloring is really inexpensive too, so I'm sure you can get some other things out of it other colors And you could probably find other colors, and I'm sure you can make purple. Let me see. Yes, purple, red, and blue. And the darker the darker, you can use 10 drops of red and 4 drops of blue, or 1 drop of red and 1 drop of blue. You can make a rose color, which is 5 drops of red and 1 drop of blue. I really wish I had the red, but I used it all. So that is my idea on the glimmer, homemade glimmer, or shimmers, or glitz, or whatever you want to call it, made with food coloring. If you have any questions, let me know. Send me a message, subscribe, and I will see you with another video. Thanks.